Good morning, one and all. Children, in today's class, let us revise block number 4, solid shapes. So, which are the solid shapes we learnt in this block, children? Yes, we learnt about cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone and sphere. See, these 5 solid shapes we learnt under this block. And also we learnt that some things are round and some things are flat. So the things like apple, orange, ball are round, and the things like book, eraser, bat, table, these things are flat. Now let us see one question related to that. Okay. Circle the things that are round. Here some things are given. You need to circle the things which are round. See, which are the things are given here? Ball. Whether ball is round or flat? Ball is round. Circle that. Book is flat. No need to circle. Come to apple. Apple is also round. Circle that also. Orange is also, we know that orange is round. Circle that also. Whether bat is round or flat? Bat is flat, it is not round. No need to circle bat. And even eraser is also flat, it is not round. So no need to circle bat and eraser because they both are flat things. Okay. Then come to second one. Circle the things that are flat. You need to circle the things which are flat in shape. Okay. Come to first one, book. Whether book is round or flat? Yes, we all know that book is flat. Circle that. Ball is round. No need to circle. Bat is also flat. See, imagine bat. It is flat. Circle bat. Because the question is, circle the things that are flat. You need to circle the things which are flat in shape. Then table. See, imagine table in your mind. Table is also flat. Circle that also. Then orange. We all know that orange is round. It is not flat. No need to circle orange. Then come to third question. Children, already we learnt that in this block, the things which are round will roll and the things which are flat will slide. Okay, once again I will repeat. The things which are round will roll and the things which are flat will slide. Now let us see one more question related to that. Okay. Circle the things that will slide. So you have to check among the given things which things slides. You need to circle them and underline the things that will roll. Already we learned that what is rolling and sliding. Okay, the things which are round will roll and the things which are flat will slide. Now here let us check it out. Which are the things will roll and which are the things will slide. Here, come to first one, eraser. Eraser is flat, that's why it slides, it won't rolls. Because eraser is flat, it slides. So circle eraser. Then come to ball. Even ball is round. So the round object rolls, it won't slide. Okay. Ball rolls, it won't slide. See, when we push ball, it rolls. So underline ball. Come to book. We all know that book is flat. That's why it slides. So circle book. Then come to bottle. Bottle is also round. So it rolls. Bottle rolls. Underline that. Even apple is also round. It also rolls. Underline apple also. Then come to bat. We all know that bat is flat. When we push bat, it slides. It won't rolls. So circle bat. So here the things like eraser, book and bat slide. And the things like ball, bottle and apple rolls. Okay. Then let us see one more question. match the shapes with things. Here one column 3D shapes, solid shapes are given. In another column some things are given. So you need to match the correct shapes with the correct things. Okay. First shape is cube. See, among these 5 things, which thing should match with cube? Yes, cube should match with the gift box. See, this is gift box. Look like cube. So match cube with the gift box. See, gift box is in cube shape. Then come to cuboid. See, cuboid should match with pencil box because pencil box, the shape of the pencil box is like cuboid. See, cuboid should match with pencil box. Then come to cone. Cone should match with birthday cap. See, this birthday cap is in the shape of cone. Cone with birthday cap and a cylinder with cola tin. See, this cola tin is like cylinder shape. Okay. So, and the last shape is sphere. Sphere, the example for sphere is ball. Ball is in the shape of sphere. Like this, you have to match the given shape with the correct things. Now let us see, let us revise the next block, that is block number 5.